How to log in into TaxAct account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to log in this tutorial video I will show you guys how you can log in into your TaxAct account. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For example, I will use Safari. Now search for the TaxAct login on the search bar. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, click on the first link, that means sign into your TaxAct account option. Now wait for some second and you will be directed to this page. Here you can see you can enter your username and password in order to log in into your account. Enter all your information and click on agree and sign in button. But in case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on forget username or password option. So that's it. In this simple way, you can log in into your TaxAct account. I hope you guys understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.